Ready?
Go.
Yeah. The timing?
Okay.
What shape is the DVD?
Square.
Name a fast food joint.
Baker's Delight.
What do you put a hot dog in?
Some bad words that you can say there.
A TV.
The early bird catches the
Fish.
What is a peeping Tom?
Someone who likes male cats.
That's just wrong.
I can't help it, that hot dog.
The hot dog is warning you.
The early bird catches the worm.
No, he catches the fish.
It means that they won't go hungry.
The early bird catches the fish. No, hang on. No, something to do with fish and worms. Because you use worms to catch the fish. And then the bird gets the fish because the fish already ate
You
the
want to be
worm.
on video, do
That's
you?
it. Yeah, there's hot in here.
It's still funny.
What, you were going to play Wiggly?
Yeah, with the, it's like if they get up before the other worm,